Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Tom and today we're going to make hot cross buns in two different ways. One traditional hot cross bun and the other one is going to be a hot cross loaf.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
that is how you make a hot cross bun and a hot cross loaf. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. Please do give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I release new recipe videos every single week and you don't want to miss them. I'll see you in the next video.